Hey guys, Michael Pedrotti here. Just a quick video today. I just wanted to tell you about a new website that we've been using for not very long, like probably 2 days. It's called Exploding Topics. Now, I think this website is something that a lot of people are going to start using soon. Basically, it will give you a graph to tell you if a particular term is like trending or if it's exploding in popularity. So we can see here there's some terms like portable blender, for example. So say you had a niche site or a dropshipping site about portable blenders, you can see that they're hot right now. It's something that you may want to look at getting into since it's an exploding topic. So just one example, that's like the past month, and we can change the time period on it to like 1 year, and we can see, this is something it's getting popular year by year and even 10 years. Like, it's crazy compared to 2009. So this may be something that you want to get into if you've got an affiliate site, or even you want to build an affiliate site or whatever you want to do. So I just wanted to show you, so you can also change the overall time range too. So you can see okay, so you can see it's okay boomer and boomer, which we can see now it's a dead meme over the past 3 months. So, but we can change the category too, to like say we're in a health niche, for example. We can see some things like massage guns. So like I don't really know about massage guns myself, and if I was running a niche website about health, then you could easily go and get an article up about that, or start pushing some kind of promotion to it. Same with weighted blankets as well. That's another one, but I'm pretty sure weighted blankets have been popular for a while. And then even go 10 years. So this is like a good way to find out. So I have like a philosophy that you don't want to just do like promotions and affiliate sites on things that are trending, but this is a good way to look at, okay, this is still going up as a trend. It's not dying off. Like, say for example, like we saw just before the okay boomer, you could clearly see that it was going down. So if that was an actual product, like, I know okay boomer's not a product, but if it was, then you could go, okay, well, maybe I shouldn't be writing about this, or maybe I shouldn't put a video out about this. So it gives you a good idea to gauge what you should be looking at. And as well, it's just a much nicer site to use than Google Trends. Like, I know Google Trends will kind of show you like what countries things are popular in, but this, like, keep in mind, this site just came out like not too long ago. So it's worth just bookmarking, put it in your arsenal. And it's from Brian Dean as well. So I don't know if I mentioned that, it's Brian Dean from Backlinko. So nice little website. So I definitely I definitely recommend checking it out. And also you can add a topic too, and then they'll curate it before they add it to the system. And they also have here, so get weekly trending topics directly to your inbox. So if you want those hot new niches before anyone else, or things that are trending, then you can subscribe, and then he can sell you things on his email list. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you this because I think it is going to be valuable. Even like, just go and have a poke around and see what you think about it, because it's just nice to have a look and just see like just things that are exploding. For example, like chatbot. Chatbots are hot right now. Who knows how long they're going to be hot for, but you can see sort of how they were in like 2016. Nobody's talking about them, and in 2017 they just start going crazy. So definitely worth checking out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks, guys.